Hey, how are you? In this video, we will be explain the story of Miss Marvel. Miss Marvel is an American television miniseries created by Bisha K. Ali for the streaming service Disney Plus, based on the Marvel comics featuring the character Kamala Khan. Miss Marvel. It is the seventh television series in the Marvel Cinematic Universe (MCU), produced by Marvel Studios, sharing continuity with the films of the franchise. It follows Kamala Khan, a 16-year-old fangirl of the Avengers who struggles to fit in until she gains her own powers. Ali serves as head writer with Adil and Bilal, Adil Al-Arbi and Bilal Fala leading the directing team. Miss Marvel, genre action adventure comedy coming of age superhero created by Bisha K. Ali, based on Marvel comics, starring Iman Vellani, Matt Lintz, Yasmin Fletcher, Zenobia Shroff, Mohan Kapoor, Sagar Sheikh, Laurel Marsden, Azhar Usman, Risha, Aryan Moed, Alicia Renner, Laith Nakli, Nimra Bucha, Travina Springer, Akadu Ononogbo. Music by Laura Karpman. Country of origin United States. Original language English. Number of episodes 3. Production executive producers Kevin Feige, Luis D. Esposito, Victoria Alonso, Brad Winderbaum, Sana Amanat, Adil and Bilal, Bisha K. Ali. Production locations Atlanta, Georgia, New Jersey, Thailand. Cinematography Robert Hayward, Carmen Cabana, Jules O'Loughlin. Editors Nona Kodai, Sabrina Plisco, Emma McCleave, Sushila Love. Running time 50 to 52 minutes. Production company Marvel Studios. Distributor Disney Platform Distribution. Release Original Network Disney Plus. Original release June 8, 2022. Present. Chronology Related shows Marvel Cinematic Universe television series. Iman Vellani stars as Kamala Khan, Miss Marvel, with Matt Lintz, Yasmin Fletcher, Zenobia Shroff, Mohan Kapoor, Sagar Sheikh, Laurel Marsden, Azhar Usman, Risha, Aryan Moed, Alicia Renner, Laith Nakli, Nimra Bucha, Travina Springer, and Adaku Ononogbo also starring. The series was announced with Ali's involvement in August 2019. Vellani was cast in September 2020 with Al-Arbi and Fala. Meera Menon and Sharmeen Obaid Chinoy hired as the series directors. Filming began in early November 2020. Shooting in Atlanta, Georgia and New Jersey before concluding in Thailand in May 2021. Miss Marvel premiered on June 8, 2022 and will consist of 6 episodes concluding on July 13. It is part of Phase 4 of the MCU. The series will serve as setup for the film The Marvels 2023, in which Vellani will reprise her role as Khan along with additional cast members from the series. The series received positive reviews with particular praise for Vellani's performance. Premise: Kamala Khan, a 16-year-old fangirl of the Avengers, particularly Carol Danvers, Captain Marvel, struggles to fit in until she gains her own powers. Cast and characters: Iman Vellani as Kamala Khan, Miss Marvel, a 16-year-old Pakistani American high school student from Jersey City who is an aspiring artist and avid gamer and writes superhero fan fiction about heroes such as Captain Marvel. Khan gains the ability to harness cosmic energy and create hard-light constructs from a magical bangle. Co-executive producer Sana Amanat said Khan brought a grounded perspective to the MCU with bright and eager eyes. Vellani noted Khan enjoys the simplicity of a life with powers instead of worrying about high school, boys and relationships, family drama and culture and religion. She also added that the character felt so much like me due to their similar background, authenticity and love for the Marvel Universe. Head writer Bisha K. Ali described Khan as an avatar for all of the viewers who had grown up with the MCU. Matt Lintz as Bruno Carelli, Kamala's best friend. Lintz called Carelli very loyal to Kamala, more so after she gets her powers, as it creates a new dynamic between them. Yasmin Fletcher as Nakia Bahadir, Kamala's close friend. Fletcher called Bahadir a strong character who is opinionated and is willing to fight for anything that she believes in, as well as a character that breaks a lot of the stereotypes stereotypes for hijab girls. Zenobia Shroff as Muniba Khan, Kamala's mother and Yusuf's wife. She is stricter on Kamala Khan Yusuf, with Shroff saying it comes from her knowing Kamala's potential while still wanting to protect her from all that. Mohan Kapoor as Yusuf Khan, Kamala's father and Muniba's husband. Kapoor described Yusuf as a warm, caring, compassionate man who is more understanding of Kamala and her dreams than Muniba. Compassionate man who is more understanding of Kamala and her dreams than Muniba. Sagar Sheikh as Amir Khan, Kamala's older brother. Sheikh described Amir as kind of aloof and is not as funny as he thinks he is, who is very religious and serves as a middleman between Kamala and their parents. Laurel Marsden as Zoe Zimmer, the most popular girl at Kamala's high school and a social media influencer. Azhar Usman as Najaf, a halal food vendor acquainted with Kamala. Resha as Kamran, a boy Kamala has a crush on. Shah believed Kamran is able to relate to Kamala so easily because he had a lack of belonging and community and is able to express himself culturally around her. Aryan Moed as P. Cleary, a Department of Damage Control DODC agent. Alicia Riner as Sadie Deaver, a DODC agent working with Cleary. Laith Nakli as Sheikh Abdullah, an imam at Kamala's mosque. Nimra Bucha as Najma, Kamran's mother who also appears to Kamala in visions, and the leader of the clandestine who want to return to their home dimension at any cost necessary. Travina Springer as Taisha Hillman, Amir's wife. Adaku Ononogbo as Fariha. Other cast members include Fawad Khan as Hassan and Aramis Knight as Kareem. Red Dagger as a vigilant who wears a red bandana and wields throwing knives. Additional guest stars include Jordan Firstman as school counselor Gabe Wilson, Anjali Bhimani and Sufia Mahmood as aunties Ruby and Zara, Samina Ahmed as Kamala's grandmother Sana, Farhan Akhtar as Waleed and Mehwish Hayat as Aisha, Ale Khan as Fandair Khan, Ali Al Saleh and Warda Aziz have been cast in undisclosed roles. Rayan Panagos, Vice President and Creative Executive at Marvel New Media, has a cameo appearance as the cosplay competition host at AvengerCon. Directors Adil Al Arabi and Bilal Fala make cameo appearances as a man in the mosque and one of the mosque bros respectively. Episodes number 1 title Generation Y, directed by Adil and Bilal, written by Bisha K. Ali. Original release date June 8, 2022. Kamala Khan is a 16-year-old high schooler and a fangirl of the Avengers, particularly Captain Marvel. After failing another driving test and meeting with school counselor Gabe Wilson, Kamala and her best friend Bruno Carelli finish her Captain Marvel cosplay for AvengerCon while avoiding her strict parents Yusuf and Muniba. Kamala receives a package of items from her grandmother including a golden bangle, but Muniba sees it as junk. After failing to convince her parents to let her go to AvengerCon, Kamala and Carelli sneak out and attend anyway, taking the bangle as part of her cosplay. After getting there and dressing up, she puts it on, but it causes her to protect constructs of cosmic energy, inadvertently causing havoc. Amidst the chaos, Kamala uses her powers to save her classmate Zoe Zimmer from falling. Carelli rushes Kamala home, where a distraught Muniba pleads with her to focus on her own story. In a mid-credits scene, Department of Damage Control DODC agents P. Cleary and Sadie Deaver watch a video of Kamala's incident at AvengerCon and head to New Jersey to find and detain her. Number 2 Crush Mira Menon, Kate Gritmon. June 15, 2022. Kamala begins training to control her powers with Carelli, with the latter deducing the bangle activated Kamala's superpowers. Kamala, Carelli and Nakia Bahadir attend a party organized by Zimmer where they meet new senior Kamran. Kamala befriends Kamran, but Carelli becomes frustrated when she chooses to spend time with Kamran instead of training. After seeing a vision of a mysterious woman, Kamala asks her grandmother Sana and Muniba about Kamala's great-grandmother Aisha, the original owner of the bangle, but both dismiss her. Yusuf says young Sana lost her way during the partition of India, but was able to find her father almost mysteriously. After questioning Zimmer about her savior at AvengerCon, Cleary and Deaver order a sweet chief of the tri-state area, targeting South Asian communities at an Eid celebration. A young boy slips from a mosque balcony and almost falls before Kamala saves him with her powers. Kamala is chased by DODC agents led by Devar but is saved by Kamran. Kamran introduces Kamala to his mother Najma, who was the mysterious woman in her vision. Number 3, Destined, Mira Menon, teleplay by Freddie Saibon and A.C. Bradley and Matthew Chauncey, story by Freddie Saibon. June 22, 2022. When Kamala meets a group of people who have information on mysterious, she begins to learn more about the source of her powers. Number 4, TBA, Sharmeen Obed Chinoy, teleplay by Sabir Pirzada and A.C. Bradley and Matthew Chauncey, story by Sabir Pirzada. June 29, 2022. Number 5, TBA, Sharmeen Obed Chinoy, Fatima Asghar, July 6, 2022. Number 6, TBA, Adil and Bilal, teleplay by Will Dunn and A.C. Bradley and Matthew Chauncey, story by Will Dunn. July 13, 2022. Production development. Marvel Entertainment's creative consultant Joey Koisada said in September 2016 that there were plans to explore the character of Kamala Khan, Miss Marvel, in other media following her unusually rapid success and popularity among comic book readers. Marvel Studios president Kevin Feige said in May 2018 that a Marvel Cinematic Universe (MCU) project based on Kamala Khan was in the works and would follow the release of the film Captain Marvel 2019, as Khan is inspired by that film's title character Carol Danvers. By August 2019, Marvel Studios had begun development on a Miss Marvel television series for the streaming service Disney Plus, with Bisha K. Ali hired to serve as the head writer. After working as a writer on the series Loki, Ali approached Kevin Wright, one of the Marvel Studios executives on Loki, while they were working together to get an opportunity to meet about Miss Marvel, and declined an extension to continue working on Loki in order to create her pitch. She believed Marvel responded to her general vibe and energy from her pitch, and that a series about Miss Marvel was very personal to her. As a fan, as a South Asian person, as a Pakistani woman, and as a woman from a Muslim background, making a show about these be specific and universal. Miss Marvel was officially announced at the 2019 D23 conference in September 2020. Adil Al-Arbi and Bilal Falla, credited as Adil and Bilal, were hired to direct 2 episodes of the series, with Mira Menon hired to direct 1 episode and Sharmeen Obed Chinoy hired to direct 3 episodes. Menon and Obed Chinoy ultimately directed 2 episodes each. Despite their different visual styles and prior work, all of the directors worked closely together to create a seamless transition between their episodes. Ali Al-Arbi and Falla serve as executive producers on the series and worked closely with Marvel Studios to develop it, with Kamala Khan co-creator Sana Amanat also serving as an executive producer. Marvel Studios Feige, Luis D. Esposito, Victoria Alonso and Brad Winderbaum also serve as executive producers. Marvel Studios Feige, Luis D. Esposito, Victoria Alonso and Brad Winderbaum also serve as executive producers. Filming Al-Arbi and Falla Menon and Obed Chinoy directed the series. Filming began in early November 2020 at Trilith Studios in Atlanta, Georgia, with additional filming at Black Hole Studios and Arroyo Brothers Studios. The series was filmed under the working title Jersey. Robert Hayward served as the cinematographer for Al-Arbi and Falla, with Carmen Cabana cinematographer for Menon and Jules O'Loughlin serving as cinematographer for Obed Chinoy. The animated sequences were not scripted. Thus, an early version of the script for the first episode had a moment inside Khan's head, which the directors took and expanded that idea across the entire series. Al-Arbi and Falla convinced them as a way to get inside Kamala Khan's head and capture her dream world and fantasy world, and for viewers to see the world through her eyes. These moments were a way to translate the vibrancy the directors enjoyed from the comics into the series and were inspired by the animated film Spider-Man in the Spider-Verse 2018. The integration of the animated elements. Spider-Man in the Spider-Verse 2018. The integration of the animated elements took a lot of planning during pre-production and did not allow the directors any ability to improvise how those sequences were shot. Al-Arbi noted the other directors also enjoyed using them for their episodes. The duo were also inspired by Spike Lee and making New Jersey a character in the series like Lee does with New York City in the films. Steven Spielberg, Anaheim, particularly for the visual effect. John Hughes films, the films Booksmart and Scott Pilgrim vs. the World 2010, the early 1990s television series Parker Lewis Can't Lose and Saved by the Bell, and Adrian Alfona and Jamie McKelvey's art from the Miss Marvel comics. Al-Arbi and Falla concluded their episodes on March 5, 2021. Cultural advisors were used to examine the scripts and what was being filmed to ensure their authenticity. Secondary filming occurred in Hudson County, New Jersey from March to early April. Villani and Shah continued the film scenes in Atlanta through late April and early May. Obed Chinoy began filming the 4th and 5th episodes in Thailand by March 23, specifically in Bangkok and at the Studio Park facilities. Given the series' strict COVID-19 protocols, Miss Marvel was able to obtain a waiver from the Thai government to continue filming in the country throughout April and May 2021, despite new restrictions put in place in April that suspended other film and television productions. The cast and crew of 450 people were divided into 3 bubbles in order for production to continue if a positive test was found in one of the bubbles. Filming for the series concluded in Thailand in early May 2021. Reshoots with Obed Chinoy directing occurred at the end of January 2022. Post-production editors on the series include Nona Khodai, episodes 1, 4, 5 and 6, Sabrina Plisco, episodes 1, 3 and 6, and Emma McLeave and Sushila Love, episodes 2 and 3. Visual effects for the series were created by Digital Domain, Framestore, Fuse FX, Method Studios, SS VFX, Trickster and Perception. Release: Miss Marvel debuted on Disney Plus on June 8, 2022 and will consist of 6 episodes, releasing weekly until July 13. The red carpet premiere occurred on June 2 at El Capitan Theatre in Los Angeles. The series was originally scheduled to debut in late 2021, but following the announcement of Hawkeye premiering in late November 2021, Aaron Couch of The Hollywood Reporter said it was unclear if Miss Marvel would also still release in 2021, given Hawkeye would still be releasing into December and it was unlikely two Marvel Studios series would release at the same time. In August 2021, Matt Webb Mitovich of TV Line felt it was very safe to assume Miss Marvel would premiere in early 2022. Would it confirmed the following month to be moving to 2022. In November 2021, it was confirmed to be releasing in mid 2022, with the June 2022 premiere confirmed in March 2022. Miss Marvel is part of Phase 4 of the MCU. The series will receive a 3-part theatrical release across Pakistan through licensor HKC Entertainment due to Disney Plus not being available in the country at that time. The first 2 episodes will release on June 16, 2022, followed by the 3rd and 4th episodes on June 30 and the last 2 episodes on July 14. Future: during the series' official announcement at D23, Feige stated that after introducing Miss Marvel in the series, the character would cross over the MCU films, which he reiterated in November 2019. Previously, Captain Marvel star Brie Larson expressed interest in including Miss Marvel in that film's sequel, and Vellani was confirmed to be appearing in the Captain Marvel sequel, The Marvels, in December 2020. In February 2021, Feige revealed that Miss Marvel would set up The Marvels. The Marvels was not fully conceived by the time Ali started working on the series, so she had a lot of creative freedom in crafting the series, but knew there needed to be a maturity across the arc of the series so Khan would be ready for the events of The Marvels. Additionally, Sheikh Sharrof and Kapoor reprised their respective roles as Khan's family members in The Marvels.